Today we want to talk about LinkedIn and how you can use this powerful tool, this powerful platform to generate leads for your business. I want to show you 5 tips that you can apply right now, and I want to show you how you can get success, because keep in mind, everyone is using LinkedIn and you need to be almost perfect. You need to stand out, you need to appear professionally in order to get success from LinkedIn. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and let's get started. Okay, the first thing that you want to make sure you have right is your profile, your personal profile. And there's 3 things that are very important. First one is make sure you have a cover photo which shows exactly what you do, because that's the first thing that people see when they enter your profile. Also, you want to make sure you have a right profile picture, because your profile picture has to show that you are a professional, that people can trust you. So in a way, those 2 things are extremely important. And if those 2 things you get right, then the next thing is the headline. The headline is basically one sentence which should tell people exactly what you do, what your objective is in using LinkedIn. For example, you can put something like, I help businesses improve their performance through social media. That's very clear. And people will read that, and that should give them 100% clear idea of exactly what you do. You cannot just put there 20 years of experience or things like that, because that doesn't tell people anything. So you want people to know exactly if you are the right person to help them out. And this is your opportunity to say it clear and out loud in top of your profile with bigger letters. So why not use this opportunity? For example, in SkillayUdemy, we say helping entrepreneurs and managers improve productivity and performance. That's what we do. It's clear. And we do this through practical tips from videos in our YouTube channel and all our social networks where we are present. And also we do it through templates that we provide, because managers do not have time to prepare templates, so they try to use templates that are ready-made, and our templates are ready-made. You can use them immediately. And then also we do it through online courses. People sign up, they pay for courses, and this is where they get extra value in what they are looking to do and what they are looking to achieve. So exactly in one sentence, you tell people what you do and how you can help them out. It could be that you're not a business helping people, then you want to show your skills, why people should hire you. So what exactly is your specialty and what are you looking for? Are you looking for a job, or are you looking for a freelance opportunity? You have to be very direct and very clear here, because you don't want to confuse people. You want to tell them straight, this is why I'm here and here's what I can do, and shoot me, write me, message me, and let's do business together. I'm surprised how many people get this wrong. You enter their profile and you cannot tell exactly what this profile is there about. They are telling you about several different things. Are they an expert on something? An expert on too many things? That means probably not an expert on anything. Not much time to waste on people who are not clear enough. So use this opportunity with your profile, with your background photo, and also your headline, which is underneath your profile photo. Then people say, but I'm not a designer. How do I make these profile photos and blah, blah? Very easy. There are tools out there which you can use without being a designer. And I'm going to show you how you can do this with a couple tools that I use every day.
So if we are in our profile in LinkedIn and we want to change the profile picture here, so basically we can use a tool which can help us remove the background from a picture. So remove.bg, and you can just upload the image where you want to take the photo here. And basically what this is gonna do for us, it's just gonna remove the background easily, and it will let us choose a different background instead of the one that we had. So for example, I can choose that, and I can download the picture, I can download the image, and boom, here you have a new background with the photo that you wanted to use. Now you can just basically crop this photo to make it appropriate for LinkedIn, and you can change the photo with the new photo in your LinkedIn profile. That's one way to change the background of the photo and make it appropriate. In fact, I would recommend that you keep your photos very clean, not having any backgrounds. Just choose some kind of color and that's it. So keep in mind, if you want to change both the profile photo and the banner, you can also use canva.com. Just sign up, it's free. They have also a paid version, but in the beginning you definitely don't need that. You can go with the free option, and here you can just choose create design, type LinkedIn, and you'll get the option for the LinkedIn banner, which will give you templates that are free to use. And you can choose one template and then just change the name to your name, and this is ready to go in a couple seconds. So just use this name, fix a little bit. This is very simple stuff, and you can give a name here also. Let's go with online course creator. So download, and basically you have the downloaded image in your computer. You get rid of the ads that you get here, and boom, here we have the image ready to install, to upload into our LinkedIn profile. That's how I have done this one. You can do different ones. You can try different templates and see which one looks better for your profile.
The second thing, which is extremely important on LinkedIn, on your personal profile, are a combination of how you use the section where you explain providing services, and you have to list all the services that you provide and try to focus on top 3 services, maybe maximum of 5. And then the about section, which gives you the opportunity to include a couple paragraphs to explain who you really are and what you can do for other people who want to work with you. And the third thing here is also the featured section, where you can add links to things that you have done, projects from your past, success stories, maybe videos from YouTube or from your webpage. You want to show here exactly featured work that has been done by you in the past, and that can show how you can accomplish good results or good performance from previous clients, so that the new clients can learn quickly what exactly you can do with an example. Because it's not the same just explaining what you do. When you show proof what you have done, also it's much more promising than just explaining yourself, I do this and that. So use these 3 sections, fill them out completely. Too many people don't do it. I don't know why. You need to fill them out and make sure they are properly filled, and check them with your friends and colleagues and see what they tell you. Does it reflect what you are trying to tell them? Because sometimes we think that we are appearing the way we want to appear, but when we ask somebody else, they give us feedback, and we use this feedback in order to improve our profile. The third thing that you need to optimize in your LinkedIn profile is the skills and endorsements. Here you can be creative. You can add as many skills as you want. You can add 10, 15, even 20 skills. And then just think to yourself, what are the top 3 skills that you want to be known for? And you choose those as your top 3. And once you have done this, it's time to ask people to endorse you. And try to start with the people that know exactly what you do, people who have proven that you are the one who has those skills. It could be your past clients, it could be your colleagues, it could be your former colleagues, it could be your family members, relatives, friends, acquaintances, anyone you can think of. It's not a problem to ask them to endorse you, because this is a normal thing. You just write them a message and ask that they endorse you. You may have to endorse them back, but keep in mind, you do this only with people that you know, and not bluntly like joining those Facebook groups where you ask each other to endorse somebody who you have never worked with. And you don't want to do that, because you want to focus only on people that you know, on people that you have seen, and people that you are aware of what skills they really have, and they can be professional, because your endorsements are going to impact how other people see those people. And you want the same for you. You want people who know you exactly, and those people will give you endorsements. They will give you also recommendations. Recommendations are different. Endorsements are only just adding one number to the skill that you have put on your skills list, while recommendations are written, and here you want your people that have really benefited from your services to fill out the recommendations. And sometimes you might give them an incentive for doing so, but you have to be careful that you have to have the right number of recommendations, which will give you exactly what you need in order to show proof, to show testimonials to your future clients that you are the right person to hire for the service that you are looking to provide. Now, if you look at my profile, I have top 3 skills, which are not the ones that I really want to have, because those are from the past times. Now I had to get back on track. I have to change this, and I want the 3 other top skills to become my top skills. And I can change this by asking people who have taken my courses, people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, to endorse me for the skills that I want to have right now. And those skills that I want to have right now are online courses, are providing online marketing lessons and things like that. Not what I have there right now. And what I have there right now are social media, online advertising, digital marketing. Those are not what I want to be known for. Those are what I used to work before I started SkillayUdemy. So I have a job to do here, and I will get to it quickly. The 4th suggestion that we have for your LinkedIn is to create a LinkedIn page for your company. And this you can do very easily on LinkedIn. But then again, you have to make sure that this page is also maintained properly and it has a professional outlook. And you want to make sure you have, again, the background photo, but here you want to show more stuff about your business. You want to show maybe how people can contact you, or exactly what you do, or the name of the business, or what you stand for. So be creative here. Try to do it a little bit differently from your personal profile, because you have to give the appearance that your business is not the same as you. Your business is bigger than you, because you're only one person. And you don't want to give people the idea that you are a one-man show. You might have a team, you might not, but your appearance on your profile will show that you are a professional business. And then you have the profile photo. Here you want to include the logo of your business, or some kind of symbol that can show what your business stands for. Then you can use this to post stuff on your company page. When you do that, you need to keep in mind that you have many different types of posts, and you want to try to use video as much as you can, because LinkedIn is favoring video right now. And what does that mean? If you use video, it will be shown to more people. So that's your opportunity to gain more followers and to gain more reach and engagement on LinkedIn. So why not use it right now? Then you need to see, if you have many people on your personal profile and not so many on your page, you need to start inviting those connections to your LinkedIn page. And LinkedIn has a facility for this, but keep in mind there are limits. You can do this every 24 hours, and once you reach your limit, LinkedIn will stop that functionality for you. And once you are there, there's a trick. You can go and see which connections you have added, and those that have not responded, you can delete them. And again, you will have the functionality back. You can start inviting new connections. Because again, this is an opportunity for people to connect with your LinkedIn page. If they're not going to use it for a couple of days, then you just turn them off, decline, and then go to new people and invite others. So this is the way you can grow your page from 0 to 1,000 followers within 30 to 60 days. The 5th suggestion that we have for LinkedIn is to create a LinkedIn group. Now, groups are community places where people who have used your services or people who are thinking of using your services can get together and help each other. This is a great opportunity for you to create a network of people who have built trust in you and your services. And you get them to communicate, and they are the best ambassadors that you can have in a business. And here you also need to create some kind of better relationship, some kind of direct communication, so that you offer them something every week or every month. You can do that by answering questions. You can do that by offering them free webinars, free opportunities where they can interact and engage with you. Or you can use this to just boost your presence online, to post the articles, the videos, everything that you come up with, so that you get your community to engage with you on a regular basis. It's very important that your clients are engaged on a regular basis so that they know exactly when you're coming up with new products or services, and they are the first ones to know them. Also, you need to keep this group closer together by offering them special offers, special deals before you offer those deals to anyone else. So try to use the LinkedIn group. Again, if you do that, then you will have your personal profile, your company page, and also your community group. Try to use them to your advantage, because all three have advantages: LinkedIn profile, a LinkedIn page, and a LinkedIn group. Each one of them has something to offer you, and you want to benefit from all three. So my friends, that's how I have been using LinkedIn lately, and it has benefited me greatly because I have increased number of followers, increased number of leads, and also I have created a community with people that are using my services. You can do the same and get started right now and ask me any questions you might have. Don't forget to like this video, give me your comments in the comment section, even if you have questions, and also subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you do not miss any videos in the future from Skillay Academy. Until next time, goodbye.